Good Erev Shabbos, everyone, as we learn the Mishna Yomis for this Erev Shabbos Kodesh, Erev Shabbos Vayeshev, as we are in Sanhedrin, the first parak, Mishna Gimel and Mishna Dalet, sponsored by the Fisher family, Lili Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, and also Lili Nishmas Eliyahu Moshe, Yaakov ben, David ben Chaim, for Shalema for Eliyahu Moshe ben Chaim, Saras Chus Avram Ben Yom Ben Ishmael Malk Yudas and family, for Shalema for Moshe Meir ben Esther Fadl and Meir ben Chai Sarah, and sponsored by Yoel Klugman and his family for their Parnasa Gzunta Nachas. So the Mishnah says Smicha Zekanim. Now Smicha Zekanim over here does not mean giving Smicha to a Rav. It means that if the majority of the community did an Issachar because of a wrong psak of the Sanhedrin, then when they realize the mistake, they have to bring a parhelim davar shel tzibur, it's a certain carbon, and the zekanim have to do smicha as they confess on the carbon, and we'll see that needs 3 zekanim. Varifas egla, the breaking of the heifer's neck in the case of an unsolved homicide, bishloisha, is with 3 divrei Reb Shimon. Reb Yehuda Aimer b'chamisha. Reb Yehuda says it's with 5 zekanim. Hachalitza, in the case where somebody's husband dies without children, and the brother doesn't want to do yibam, then the chalitza ceremony, and mi'unin, in the case of a girl who was married by her mother or her brother, and she is not yet bas mitzvah, so she could walk away with a refusal without a get, it needs shloish, it needs 3 dayanim. Neta Ravai, and after the 3 years of Orla, the 4th year produce has to be taken to Eretz Yisrael or redeemed. If you don't know how much the redemption price is, or Ma'aser Sheni in the 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 5th year of the Shemitah cycle, the second Ma'aser you have to redeem and bring it up to Yerushalayim. If you don't know the price, she'ein dam of Yedun, its price is not known. B'shloisha, we need a bezdin of 3. Ha'ekdesha is to redeem hektish. B'shloisha, you need a bezdin of 3. Ha'arachin is a fixed amount that a person dedicates according to his age and according to his gender. The Torah says how much you give. If you want to pay it with metaltalin, with movables, to assess the movables, b'shloisha, you need 3. Rabbi Yehuda Aimer, echad mehem kayin. Of the 3, one of them should be a kayin. The karkais, if it's a real estate, by arachin or by hektish, and you want to redeem it, tisha v'kayin. You need 9 and a kayin. In other words, you need 10. One of them has to be a kayin. And the same thing is true if you're redeeming an eved, because avodim hukshu l'karkos, v'adam kayotzebem. An eved also needs 10, one of them a kayin. Dinei nefashos be'esem u'shloisha. If it's a capital case, like chil Shabbos or murder, you need a small circuit Supreme Court of 23. And also when it comes to putting to death an animal, haraveya, if an animal was an active participant in bestiality with a woman, or nirba, or a man slept with an animal, it was the passive participant, so the animal is put to death. So to ascertain, it has to be be'esem u'shloisha with a bezdin of 23. Shenema ba'arakta es ha'isha v'es ha'behema. You kill the woman and the animal. That's where the animal was the active participant. V'ayme v'es ha'behema taroigu. That's if a man slept with an animal. The animal is passive. It's put to death. Shar niskal, a shar that killed someone, so it has to be stoned, is be'esem u'shloisha. Shenema hashar yisakel, in the case of a shar muad, the shar is stoned, v'gam ba'olav Yomis. The owner is also put to death, he pays kofar, but since it says ba'olav Yomis, kamisas ha'balim, kach misas hashar. We juxtapose the death of the owner to the death of the shar, just like the owner would have to have a bezdin of 23. To stone the shar is also a bezdin of 23. Haze'ev, if a wolf kills someone, vari, a lion, hadaiv, a bear, vanamer, a leopard, varbardus, bardus is either a polecat, or a hyena, or a cheetah, or some say a skunk with rabies, vanochesh, and a snake, misasan be'esem u'shloisha, they are put to death with a bezdin of 23. Rabbi Eliezer, Aimer, kol ha'kodim lahargan zacha, we don't wait to their day in court. They're a public menace, and whoever kills them first is meritorious. Rabbi Akiva, however, says, like the Tanakama, misasin be'esim shleisha. So what's the difference between the Tanakama and Rabbi Akiva? Rabbi Akiva agrees that a snake you put to death right away, and kol hakodim zacha. We want to thank you very much for joining us and remind you that we are looking for a sponsor for Masechta Sanhedrin Daf Yomi. If you are interested, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. Also, if you would like to sponsor the coming week's Chumash year, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. Please remember that you could join our Zoom Daf Yomi, Sanhedrin Gimel and Daled, this Motzei Shabbos at 7:30. Go to zoomdaf.com and put in meeting code 914408. 914408. Again, 914408, zoomdaf.com. We'd love to have you in our Zoom family. Thank you very much and have a wonderful Shabbos.